Nice to see the sevens and the spirit of Indian football spirit very high here. So tell us more about your Weekend Warriors, how you take this name.
Okay, first I'll introduce myself. My name is Kenny. I've been running this group for almost 6 to 7 years. The reason I call them the Weekend Warriors is because come rain or sunshine or whatever it is, through all the difficulties, we make sure that we always meet up for a Friday morning football. We wake up at probably 3:30, 4 in the morning and make sure that we come onto the ground at 5, 5:30 and we kick the ball around for almost 2 hours. It's been for almost 2 years that we've been playing together. Sorry, not 2 years, actually 7 years that we've been playing together. And we have a core group of around 25, 30 individuals who have been there for all this period. And we make sure that none of our games get cancelled. We play, and it's more. I wouldn't say it's a group. It's more of a family now.
And you are basically all Indians, or you are from different nationalities and anything?
We have a mix of nationalities, but the main guys are Indians. Yeah, but we have Sri Lankans. There was a point when we had some African players as well. So yeah, it's a mix of nationality. I wouldn't say it's just Indians, but yeah, the core players, the most of the team is Indians.
And I believe you are practicing and playing at the Perling School.
Yes.
And sometime back it has closed down because for renovation. So how you manage that time?
Our actual story started next to the park next to the Qatar Airways Tower. From there we moved to Qatar Bowling Centre. We were kicked out of there because that went under construction. We went to Al Bida Park, that went under construction. Then finally we came to Perling. We were one of the first groups to start playing at Perling. We can call that our home ground because we've been playing over there for the most period of time. Then Perling went under construction, so we moved to Al Arabi. Then when Perling came back, we moved our base back to Perling. So yeah, it's like our home ground.
A lot of Mangalorean, Goans, Bangalore people in your group?
Yeah. Actually, a lot of people from Bombay. I'm from Bombay myself, but yeah, most of the guys are from Bombay. A lot of Goans, a lot of Mangaloreans. There are some East Indians, there are some Maharashtrians, there are some South Indians. So yeah, we have a diversity in our group.
And it is basically confined to the adults or also the children are part of this group?
See, mostly most of the guys in our group are 30 plus. There are people that are 40 plus as well, who are in their late 40s, 48, 49. But yeah, as and when I try and encourage youngsters as well, there have been times when kids have come and played who have been in their teens, like 15, 16, 17-year-olds. They have also come and played, but the thing that we've been running, the reason that we've been running so long is because of the commitment we have. So I don't know, but I find it difficult to find that commitment in the generation nowadays compared to when we used to play.
Now the 2022 World Cup is here. Now many teams or many groups they have formed the cheer groups and have the musical thing behind it. Have you got any other this angle part of it? You play music instruments and like to go to the 2022 World Cup as part of the to cheer up the thing or anything of
yeah,
of these
of course.
things?
Anything related to football is always a good thing, for at least for me as an individual. In fact, I've been a volunteer for the Club World Cup. Also, I mean, related to my job, I'm in the process of getting 1,000 bus drivers for the World Cup. I've already got almost 250 bus drivers. This is especially for the World Cup. So yeah, anything to be part of the World Cup, I will be right in front over there.
And on a more personal level, which is your favorite country and your favorite player?
My favorite country would be Argentina. I mean, my football team that I've been supporting since I was a kid. And of course, I love Maradona, the late great Maradona. And one of my favorites used to be Batistuta, Gabriel Batistuta. But when it comes to club, I'm a hardcore Manchester United supporter, and Rooney has somehow been my all-time great for Manchester United.